Okay, I walked for 6 hours now, and now we're here. It's my very first time in Canada, and everyone told me when you're visiting Canada, don't miss the suburbs. The most important thing, visit the suburbs. And here I am.
Did you expect this?
No, not now. Not now. No, I get to know you in person. It's so great. How was your trip? How are you doing?
All good, all good. It took a while to get here.
No,
She made it out of 30,000.
Okay.
And there's a bathroom connected to that, which is for training, and it's for cinema night. If you want to watch a movie.
This house is so big.
It was a mess 2 days ago because I unfolded my backpack and it was just everywhere.
Do you have clothes?
I do in my wardrobe.
Here?
So much clothes.
Jeez. Oh my god.
Oh my god, look at this.
Those were in the first
What is
ones I
it?
did. So I used to do cosplay. That's Shaolin from Cardcaptor Sakura. That was my high school prom skirt.
I love
that,
it. Did you also do it by yourself? No.
I did all the hand stitching.
Do you have videos of the dancing?
I have some drag.
Drag dance, even better. We watched the drag dance. But is this like, was this something you always wanted to do, or was it like?
I just saw it and I was like, that's really cool. I want to try it out. And I did the makeup. It took me 4 hours to do the makeup. Again, first drag performance. Alec, Ginger Band.
Oh, I could not tell that that's you.
The makeup's great.
Oh my god, I could never tell that it is you. Did you like paint a six pack?
Yeah.
But I had no idea that this exists. Is it called Drag Kings? What is it called?
Yeah, Drag Kings.
So, but when I talk about you, I say she or he, or what do I say?
Oh, right. So for me, I use they, them, there, and all the woman representation there was out there. I was like, I do not identify with any of this. So I was like, maybe I want to be a man. If I tried to be a man, maybe it's going to be the fit. I'm going to try it. So it was kind of a trying period. And then I realized it did feel better than my signed gender at birth to not be automatically gendered as female, but it wasn't. I wasn't a male. I wasn't a man. It didn't feel right. When I was 23, so it's been 2 years that I've known that there are other non-binaries out there. I came across a YouTuber that talked about non-binary and their experience, and I was like, oh my god, this is me. This is this is me. And then when I discovered that, I made more research. I was like, oh my god, there's so many people like me. I belong somewhere. What's your talent? Tell me more about it.
Well, I wish there was a talent. What do I have to do? That's a good start.
That's a good
Smaller.
How is it? Does it make squeak squeak?
It's like these halloumi cheeses. It makes squeak squeak and it's good. Who do you think will visit next?
Ooh, I would guess somewhere else in America. So either Joey or names. Short hair, brown short hair. Sarah? Yes. Either Joey or Sarah.